In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem code or gift card in CapCut. If you've received a promo code or a gift card for CapCut, redeeming it is quick and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to the CapCut account where you want the benefits to apply. That way, the perks are added to the right place and show up immediately across your devices. Start by opening CapCut. You can do this on desktop, mobile, or the web version, and the process is essentially the same. If you aren't signed in yet, log in so the redemption links to your account. Once you're in, head to Settings. Look for the gear icon, typically in the upper right corner. On some devices, you might need to tap your profile first, and then find the gear. Settings is where CapCut keeps all the account, subscription, and redemption options, so it's the quickest route to the code entry screen. Inside Settings, locate the option labeled Redeem Code or Gift Card and select it. If you don't see it right away, check sections like Account, Subscription, or Membership. The wording may vary slightly by region or app version, but you're looking for the redemption area. In the redemption field, carefully enter your code exactly as it appears. Codes can be case-sensitive, and characters like 0 and the letter O can look similar, so take your time or paste it if you have it copied. Avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end of the code. When you're ready, click Redeem. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message if everything checks out, and your new features or membership time will be applied to your account. If you get an error, double-check for typos and confirm whether the code has expired or already been used. Some codes are region-specific or limited to certain platforms. Make sure you're redeeming it on the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, benefits won't transfer between them. If the confirmation appears but you don't notice the change right away, try closing and reopening the app or refreshing your workspace. Keep any receipt or confirmation email handy, just in case you need to verify the code with support. And remember, some memberships extend your current plan rather than replacing it, depending on the terms. That's it. You've redeemed your CapCut code or gift card, and you're ready to enjoy the benefits. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.